This procedure aims to inexpensively fabricate metamaterials on a potentially industrial scale. First, fabricate the PMMA jacketing tube in the primary draw. Then, include the indium in the hole and draw the indium-filled fiber using a primary draw process. Assemble the stacked indium-filled preform and anneal in a 90°C oven. Proceed with a secondary draw process to draw the stacked indium-filled preform into a fiber. The resulting metamaterials contain wires of 5 micron separated by 50 microns that can be fabricated inexpensively on a potentially industrial scale and show plasmonic response in the terahertz frequency range.
Other methods for fabricating metamaterials, such as lithographic, nano and microfabrication techniques, are expensive and can produce samples that are at most a few centimeters in size. The main advantage of our technique is that we can fabricate hundreds of meters of metamaterials in fiber form. This allows us to address important questions in the field, such as whether metamaterials can be fabricated in technologically and practically relevant quantities. The particular method we are demonstrating here yields metamaterials with a plasmonic response in the terahertz. The process can in principle be scaled down to the nanoscale, yielding metamaterials with a response in the visible spectrum.
The inspiration for this method was our earlier work on drawing fibers with internal electrodes to make electro-optic modulators. We recently realized that this technique, significantly extended, could be used to create metamaterials. Fabricating metamaterials by drawing preforms of stacked indium-filled fibers is difficult to learn. We hope